Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to set different ringtone for two different SIM card on your phone. First, open the theme app. If you can't find it, simply search for themes and open it. Then simply choose which ringtones you want to set. Just click on it, play it, and then simply click on apply. Then one window will pop up. You can select SIM 1, 2, and your ringtone will be set. Okay, if you not found this option, then you should click on my account, then click on ringtones, and then you can see this window. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for the useful tips. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.